Good morning, good day. How are we today? So, throughout the week, we've been talking about the effect of not sleeping on the brain, that the brain cells eat itself. And this morning, we'll be talking about the consequences of the damage of these brain cells eating itself. So, it's very Therefore, there is consequences for this action. Of course, you don't expect that if the brain cells eat itself, nothing will happen. So when the brain cells eat itself, there are consequences. There are three major consequences. We have increased risk of neurodegenerative disease like Alzheimer, that's memory loss, when you forget some things. So it causes increased risk of neurodegenerative disease like Alzheimer. The overreactive process is believed to be a factor in the development of neurodegenerative disease, Alzheimer. So to avoid Alzheimer, that's forgetfulness, having some memory wiped up from your brain of the past. To avoid Alzheimer, we should have our rest. It's very important. At least have your 6 to 7 hours rest daily. Then another issue, consequences that it can cause is neurological damage. Studies have shown that chronic sleep deprivation can lead to neurological damage, particularly in the hippocampus. That's a part of the brain, an area of the brain that is critical for learning and memory. There's a part of the brain that learns and it has memory. You keep things that you've learned and you remember after so many years. So neurological damage occurs to that part of the brain if you don't rest. So your brain is actually like a machine that it needs to rest. You need to service it. And the third consequences is cognitive impairment. The malfunction of the neurons due to a lack of sleep can lead to problems due to concentration. You won't be able to concentrate, you won't be able to focus properly, memory, decision making. At times when you don't sleep, your brain will not function properly. It's like you're not just yourself, so you just have that rest or nap. So avoid these consequences and be safe. Make sure you have your 6 to 7 hours rest and intermittently nap 20 minutes, 30 minutes. This enhances the brain and makes it to work in optimal capacity.